challenge on Andy Cole, and it's the end for Ronaldo. It's a second yellow, he's off.
This is a game that needs no hype. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. He goes nose to turf. He's got a penalty. Oh no! He thought he had a penalty. Behind you, Cristiano. He was booked for taking his shirt off, and now he's being booked in the eyes of the referee for taking a dive.
And then we do see a quite significant push by Ronaldo on the referee. It's been action-packed, hasn't it? We play on with 60 minutes.
Wants to try and bring into this match as Rooney just keeps battling and battling. Cavallo hit with a foul here, but now tempers are flaring on the pitch.
There we go now. You can see he's going to his back pocket. There's the red card for Wayne Rooney for the push. Let's see, here it is. There's the replay. Look at the battle. So far, so good. No problems. He's battling people. He's grabbing. Not sure where it is.
Di Maria, great ball. Ronaldo collided with Mascherano. He throws a tantrum. The crossbar.
He's found it.
Ronaldo could be in big trouble. Ronaldo is in big trouble. This is the Champions League. Headline being written. Ronaldo's first return to Spain since leaving Real Madrid sees the European Champions League record scorer sent off.
Para el sector derecho, donde va tocando para Quaresma con la pelota, se le va muy larga la pelota, se le va muy larga la pelota a Quaresma, no había infracción, dice el árbitro que no hay falta, reclama Cristiano Ronaldo, amarilla para Cristiano, amarilla, tenga papá la amarilla para Cristiano, qué reclamo el de Cristiano Ronaldo y está en el piso Torreal.
A mí me queda la duda sobre la falta.
Onside, Ronaldo, Niemi stranded, down goes Ronaldo, it's a penalty, is it, or is it a dive? No, it's a dive by Ronaldo, and he's furious. When the referee blew his whistle and pointed, everyone thought penalty.
Something tells me not to wait, no.